Hello everyone, in this video I will compare NotebookLM and OneNote. NotebookLM, built by Google, is a smart-powered notebook designed to help you earn from your own documents. You upload PDFs, Google Docs, or text files, and the AI becomes your personal research assistant. It can summarize content, answer questions based on your sources, and even help you generate new ideas. It's great for researchers, students, or writers who work with large information sources and need AI help to digest and analyze them quickly. But it doesn't offer traditional features like handwriting input or visual notebooks. OneNote by Microsoft is a powerful and flexible digital notebook. You can organize your note into notebooks, sections, and pages. It supports typing, handwriting, drawing, voice notes, images, and more. It syncs across devices, integrates well with Microsoft 365, and works for everything from school note to meeting minutes. It doesn't have built-in AI that reads your documents like NotebookLM, but it's much better for day-to-day note-taking, collaboration, and organization. In short, NotebookLM is best if you want AI to help you understand your documents. OneNote is better for general-purpose note-taking with powerful organization and input options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.